Yo, this is Chris Blair. How you guys doing? I'm out here enjoying the last vestige of good weather that we're going to have for a while here in Japan. We're in the rainy season, and it's been raining like crazy. And, you know, now suddenly from yesterday evening, it stopped raining, and today it's not raining, but in the afternoon it's going to rain in the morning time here. And then I just looked at the weather report. It's going to rain like next 2 or 3 days straight. It's going to be raining. By the way, this is not unusual. In June is always like this. It's the rainy season in Japan, so it's rare for me to be able to sit out and enjoy the good weather during this time of year. So that's why I'm doing this live stream outside, having a coffee here. So, you know, people often ask, you know, about finding winning POD products, right? It's a common question, right? I mean, it's a common struggle because here's the reality. No matter how good you are at Facebook ads, no matter how good your website is, whether you're good at Instagram ads or Google ads, whatever it is, right? If you have a high converting website, you have a good niche, a profitable niche, good traffic source, you can still make nothing in this business. Zero, not a dime. You could put tons of effort into your website. You can go out and buy training, you know, learn all the master, become a kung fu master at Facebook ads, but you will make not a penny if you don't know how to come with winning offers. That's the sad reality. That's the one thing that people struggle to get their head around. So today, what I want to do is give you one technique. Now, this is just one method out of over 7 hours of training on different ideas on how to get products or create products for both drop shipping and print on demand. That's in my ecom course and mastermind. So this is just one of them, okay? And to be honest with you, it's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many cool, unique things that we do, but I do want to give you one, and this is, I'm going to give this away 100% for free. And this method is harder than what you've probably ever been taught, okay? People go out there and they teach the easiest methods in the world to create products, but what happens is people follow those methods and they just regurgitate the same crap. So you got everyone out there selling the exact same thing, and then you wonder why you're not having success. So what I'm about to teach you is going to require some work, okay? I'm not going to bullshit you, okay? But it's going to allow you to create original products, new ideas, okay? One new idea product launch a day is worth 100 times more than going out and just selling the exact same stuff everyone else is selling, okay? So, step one, okay, by the way, there's a prerequisite, a requirement to make this method work, okay? And that is you got to know your niche, okay? You got to spend some time and effort going in, searching, you know, for example, let's just say you're in the dog niche, so dog t-shirts, dog necklaces. Search the different, you know, find out your competitors, find out what the common expressions and slogans that have been sold over and over again in your niche are. You need to know those, okay? The reason why you need to know those is, number one, if you learn those, what's been selling, one, you know what to avoid, right? And I'm not saying you can't put some of those similar slogans and expressions on your site, but you don't want to be driving traffic as your lead product for advertising, okay? There's 2 types of products on a website. There are actually just 3. There's what I call drivers, product that drives traffic. So paid advertising is all about this hot product that people see in their news feed, right? They see that product, they go on and they want to go to your website and buy. And there's add-on products, and those are products that when people get on your website, they'll buy, okay? And then there's ones you just want to get rid of, right? Less is more. You actually don't want a lot of products on your website that aren't making any sales at all. So for some of the most common expressions, slogans, and stuff that have been done over and over again on your website, right? Those are potentially good add-on products, because what will happen is when someone goes to your website from your driver, they'll see that other product and say, oh, okay, I'll take that too, because they're in shopping mode, right? They've gone to your website from the hot product they saw on Facebook ad or Instagram or whatever, right? And they said, okay, I'm going to go to that website, I'm going to go check it out. And then when they got on your website, they say, oh, cool, yeah, I want that. Oh, no, oh, yeah, I'll take that too, and I'll take that too. So those ideas and expressions and slogans that all your competitors have been selling for years and years and years, you can make your own variations of those, and you want them on your site because those are the type of things that might be add-on products. But those are not your drivers. Those are not going to drive your business. Okay, you may make a few sales here and there, but just regurgitating the exact same crap that everyone else has been selling is not going to make you a lot of money. But now, okay, you've done some market research, you got a good idea of what's sold in the past. It's helping you understand your customer, which is a really important thing, right? Understand your customer. So now you're ready to implement the method I'm about to teach you, okay? Again, this is difficult, but so powerful, okay? And guys, people have become millionaires with this one idea alone, all right? Now, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna search any other niche. So let's just say we're sticking with the dog niche, okay? You're gonna wanna search any other niche but the dog niche. Any other niche but the dog niche, okay? And so you're gonna need a few different tabs open on your browser, okay? So let's just say you'll search, I don't know, the scuba diving niche, okay? So you might put funny expressions or funny memes or funny T-shirts or interesting T-shirts about scuba diving, okay? Or scuba diving funny T-shirts, right? Okay, you need that one. You're gonna want to open up another window, right? And that's the Google Images as well. And I'll tell you why we need two here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go in and you're gonna want to look at these different ideas in the other niche. In this case, we're searching for the dog niche, but we're going to target the scuba diving niche. Okay, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to look at those expressions in there, and you're gonna want to think to yourself, how can I tweak and twist what I'm seeing here, right? One of these shirt ideas to become an expression or a slogan or a design that I can use in the dog niche or my niche, right? Whether I put it on a T-shirt, mug cup, or now there's thousands of stuff you can sell print on demand. So you definitely want to mix up your product variety. But how can I take one of these expressions and tweak it, okay? And this is how you find unique ideas. But there's something really, really important, okay? Some of these ideas, if it's too easy to tweak, that should be like this massive red flag, okay? So let me give you an example of what a red flag would be, okay? So there was this time when there was this boom of products in the print on demand space that said, dogs make me happy, you not so much. Scuba diving makes me happy, you not so much. Swimming makes me happy, you not so much. Beer makes me happy, you not so much. Okay, if it's that easy to tweak, it's most likely been done before. Which brings us to the second window. So you got your second tab. You got your first tab where you're searching the ideas, right, in the niche, other niche that you're targeting to get as for inspiration. On the other tab, you're going to have open, and you're going to go and you're going to type in the exact idea that you came up with. So, for example, you see a scuba diving shirt that says, scuba diving makes me happy, you not so much. You think, oh, I can make that into a dog shirt. Well, you go to the other tab and you type in, dogs make me happy, you not so much, T-shirt. I can guarantee you for that expression, you're going to find it 100 some. And that's bad news, okay? You want to avoid that, okay? So if it's cookie cutter and it's so easy to tweak, probably it's been done over and over and over again. So you want to go and cross-reference. That's why you have the two tabs. One tab to get inspiration, second tab to cross-reference, right? Both the Google Images, okay? And eventually, if you put enough time and effort in this, you will come up with an idea. And then you say, Chris, well, that's one idea. Yes, but it's one original new idea, or an idea that's only a few. If you take your idea and you put in the Google on that cross-reference tab search, and you only see like one or two or three that's been done, then you, by all means, you can. That's still a product that is totally viable. So again, it's one unique idea, and I cannot underestimate the importance of that, guys. Right now, to win and make money in this business, you got to be creating new ideas. The customers there's tons of competition on Shopify, and Shopify's not the only one out there, right? I mean, Custom Cat has got 13,000 stores who's got their app installed. 13,000. Okay? Now, not all those people are active, but that gives you the point. And then that's their Shopify, but Custom Cat also has WooCommerce people installing, right? And there's Majesto and BigCommerce and people making their WordPress site. We are in a competitive marketplace, okay? And the people who win are the people who are willing to put the extra effort into finding unique and creating unique ideas, okay? And if you don't want to do that, then this business is not for you. I mean, a lot of these trainers, gurus like them, to pump you up and say, oh yeah, you can make tons of money, and you absolutely can. But I'm not going to lie to you and tell you it's easy. I'm not that kind of person. It's not. You're going to have to put some effort in this. And if you're the type of person who's got the right mindset, right, who's willing to put effort and wants to succeed, I can help you. And my course and mastermind can help you. It's just $100 to get started, totally affordable. The link is ecomvantage.com/VIP. I'll put the link in the thread below this video. And go out and implement this method. If you're interested in private coaching, I can take on a private coaching student this time. Okay. I tell you, people who take my private coaching, they get results. Yeah. And I'll open up the floor to any other questions. And guys, go out and implement what I taught you today. It's powerful. Good to see you, Ian. Good to see you, Matthew. What's up, man? Hey, Matthew, if you don't mind, I know you're in the Ecom Vantage course and mastermind. Do you mind writing a little write-up and tell people what you think of it? That'd be great. Write it here on this video. Ashish, good to see you, buddy. Will, Peter, Mark Berry, Johnny, good to see you. Trevor, Oz, Wanda, good to see everyone. All right. Edward, good to see you. Okay. Doesn't appear to be any more questions. All right. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.